for cars that come in again.
Welcome. Please proceed into the lot.
No feral hog today though. But we're here at Lincoln Common. We're literally like the first, I don't know, 6 people here, but we're helping set up. So it's an awesome time and prime parking. Look at that. Hello. Looks really good. Good morning, everybody. I'll need to wipe my car also. Look at this.
Scott, I'm gonna have you maybe go straight right here. You're gonna be the start of this radius, almost straight across from him.
I love being here because this is like the entry. The last time we were here, I was on the other side of like that post. Now we're the entry, and so like this is actually right where everyone comes in right here. It's exciting. It's exciting. We're gonna get the camera out. Of course, this is gonna be the behind the scenes. The full feature should have come out already, I'm hoping, but it's so early in the show that I have no idea what to expect or anything. It's pretty cold out. It's only 46 degrees outside. Juan has his bucket hat on. I dared him to wear that because he just came back from Tennessee and he bought it, and I was like, I dare you to wear that at the show, and he's doing it. We're just getting set up. It's pretty early in the show, so still got some time. McLaren good, but I've never seen a convertible Aston before. But it's like rose gold, kind of. It's really pretty. You got blasted, bro.
You started on my face.
Yeah, he did.
My face was in front of the exhaust.
He got it in his face. Look at all the people. So far everyone's showing up, so we'll go eat and then be done. It's hard to tell, but there's so much happening.
Oh, there it is. Probably got something there.
Oh, hey. Diablo. Oh, well. Right. Hi, guys. Back again. Oh, time to cross. Lord. Cool part is it's just like our normal life. They brought that Bronco back from last time. Yeah. And an MR2 back there. Wow. Wait, is Hal? Oh, Hal's here somewhere. Did you see him? Oh, he's right in front of us. Okay, so I think I'm gonna put you guys on my GoPro and kind of just do it like we did, checked it, and walk around with the GoPro and see what happens. All right, boys, good luck. Let's go crazy. What's up, brother? How are you, man? Good. Good to see you.
Lexus Dream.
It's good.
Yeah?
She's good, dude.
Been watching
She's good.
your vlog, boy.
Thank you, dude. Thank you.
Grinding, baby.
Trying, man. Trying.
That's what's up, though. That's what's
Thank
up.
you. Appreciate
Last
it.
one I watched, I think, was the barn find one.
Dude, that was
Juan
crazy.
Piñata.
It's here. I heard you were doing a track build on this. Is that what you want to do?
Well, for now it is.
Dude, that's dope.
And then after February, I'm upgrading the turbo.
Yeah.
Going flex, everything. I'm
Dude.
doing everything.
Oh, you're going
except
flex too? Damn.
Kitchen sink at it, that's all.
Hell yeah, bro. Dude, that's gonna be
I got
sweet.
you. Tabs wants to go in February to Road America.
I love Road America though. I mean, like, I haven't raced, I haven't done track on my car, but I track motorcycles.
Yeah.
Road America is one of my favorite tracks. It's fast. It's so
It's
fast.
such a big track too. I love it.
Yeah, you got so much like room.
The
How are
other's
you?
Yellow.
Oh,
I was telling
hey,
you about your video.
DJ. Good to meet you. Good to meet you. That's awesome. Which one? The Speedster or the?
The 996.
The 996.
Yeah.
It's upstairs.
Oh, okay.
I swapped the wheels on it.
Yeah,
I wish
Oh,
I had those
got new
wheels.
on.
Oh, really?
What did you put upstairs?
No, same Porsche, but I swapped the rims on it.
All right,
awesome.
let's
Good
see
weekend.
your new car.
Honestly, I don't know what this is, like at all. Right. But Lucky D. I don't know what kind of Volkswagen. It's cool though.
He's like 80 pounds.
Hi, buddy. Hello. Good to see you again. Oh, yes. The Joby rig. I have the same one on my pack right now, actually.
Yeah.
That's awesome, dude.
This is great for carrying around.
Yeah,
a
we have the same
16.5
lens, actually.
Lens, but
Yeah.
is it?
Yeah, mine's a F4 also, because I didn't do a G.
Okay.
mine's the regular person one. This is still such a cool car.
Yeah.
Do you know what you want to make out of it? Like, what do you make now?
Oh, we're gonna stop it at 800 right now because
Okay.
the trans is the weakest link.
Oh, I
So
see.
it's still got stock gears in there.
Okay. Yeah,
Everything else has been touched. And that last setup I made 630 at the wheels.
that's sweet.
So
That's sweet. Is it still front wheel drive or is it?
it's still front wheel drive.
Okay.
Yeah.
Gotcha.
Yeah.
Damn. That's awesome.
Yeah.
Yeah. Good to meet you, man. Good to meet you. They're upstairs.
Upstairs.
Yeah, because this garage is a whole nother show. Take this elevator to the top, and it's a whole nother show upstairs. Well, it's the same one, but like all the people that couldn't fit here, they're all up there. There's a lot of music, so I'm hoping you guys will be able to hear me, but this is the low-end 911, and this thing had a couple lifetimes. It was here originally, from what I understand, and then it lived the last year on the West Coast. And so it did a lot of cool stuff out there, a lot of shows, and it's just such a cool car. Went to Laguna Seca for Rennsport. We've been recognized a few times now.
Yes, we have been. And everybody's loving the Bone Stock Miata. Once again.
I'm telling you, it's a flex. Bone Stock Miata is a flex. The show is pretty much over, I think. Well, at least here. They're clearing out of here so that the residents can use the space again. The whole place is kind of done, and it's awesome. There was a lot of cars here. One of my favorites was probably that Safari 911 over there. That was sweet. But it's cool because we get to see like a lot of people that we recognize, and we got recognized a ton here, which blows my mind. We got a very, very special invitation to Car Collective, which we are going to go to later today as well. There's going to be a lot more happening, so it's not just here. There's a whole another section that we're going to go to, so it's going to be a long vlog today. I'm gonna head upstairs. Well, I'm not gonna leave yet, I don't think. I still gotta do the garage and then come back. I think Albo's S2000 is on air. He's on air cups.
Okay.
That, yeah.
Build them in house.
Really? Yep. To anything or to specific coils?
They'll for sure fit our XR1s, our stance suspension.
Yeah.
But we're willing to modify them to make them fit whatever.
Oh, really? Yeah. That's dope. Because I was thinking on putting mine on HKS Hypermaxes. I don't know if I want to do cups or not, because like I'm not going to drop it very low. The thing is actually like decently low as it is. It just, I want the clearance, but it's like monster truck fitmenting right now. So
I kind of want to take you riding our RS300.
Yeah, I would love to, dude. I would love to.
You to buy our
He's like, I want you to case swap that. We'll have to come by. We'll have to come by, do a little shop tour.
Let me know when you want to stop by. I'll let you guys walk around and take pictures. And
yeah, dude, that'd be dope. So we were given like a special address and told, show up. So
Good to see you again.
hey, good to see you. This is a sick setup. Sick, dude. Hey, how's it going? Good, how are you? Good. Oh. Wait, is that oh no, that's not the wide body one.
No, that is so clean though.
Wow. Yeah, dude. Oh my god. Just trying to look at the collection. So I believe these are storaged vehicles, if I'm correct. So this one we saw at the show just earlier, AMG GTR GT3, I think. PPC boys, NSX up there, Porsche. Wow. S2000? Hello? And a Miata? BRG Miata? Wow. And this is C4S, of course. A Urus. An Aventador. SVJ, maybe. Oh, hey. Look at the PPC people. Hello. This is a beautiful, beautiful location. Where are we? Hey. If you don't look back at your car, you got the wrong car. Does that work?
Dude, those come
I mean,
with
technically
two.
it works.
This size of not
Oh
big.
my gosh, it does.
So you're not just an automotive Lego builder. You're all about Lego. Oh yeah.
Dude, that's so cool. I can't believe we're this close to this thing, dude. Full carbon 4GT, that is probably one of the most insane things ever. We got to meet the owner. He's great people. He's great people, and this is a beautiful, beautiful car. Oh, the wheels are carbon too. Oh my god. But yeah, look how close this is. Carbon is really hard to show on camera. Thank you. I actually didn't know the doors opened like wings. For some reason, I didn't know that. I thought it opened normal. Wow.
Get in it if you want to.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you. I can't even get in it. Never did I think I would be sitting in a 4GT. Not only that, but the full carbon 4GT. The quick tour, I guess, that I'm able to see. Wheel is perfect. Paddle shifter. But look at this like scoop thing. That is pretty cool. It's a beautiful car. And this is actually really wide. It's like the length of my hand wide. Yeah, definitely never thought I would be sitting in a 4GT. Ugh, it's really hard to get out of. Like, I bump my head. like a lot. It's so low. It's so low, and I'm only like 5 feet tall. From a photographer's perspective especially, it's really hard to take pictures of this car because the carbon weaving is really difficult, but it's awesome to see. Oh, I just noticed. Look at the ducting right there. I'm literally looking at the front of the car.
Do you have a baggie?
Words really can't describe how insane that whole entire situation is. Man, like, you just gotta keep pushing, right? Keep pushing really hard and let your work speak for itself. It's just cool small gifts like that that we give to people, and it's awesome. So anyway, we're gonna go out to eat and finally call it a day. Like, I'm having a hard time processing everything that had happened, and still, like, wow, big thank you to Lowendgarage, big thank you to Car Collective, PPC, ZA for getting us into Car Collective, the rest of my team, every single person that came up to us today in support of us and what we do. Thank you guys, and I will see you on the other side.